my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. It's the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD in front of us, and as we all know, that whole world was waiting for the speech of the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. We were hoping that after the speech of Jerome Powell, we would get a clear direction on the market because we were having a choppy market before that. But sadly, the market is still does the same. As you can see here, Wall Street rallies but trade choppy as investors digest Powell comments. DXY showed a big drop. As expected, DXY just came to the previous resistance of 103, which acted as the new support. Market bounced immediately, and right now we can see that DXY or US dollar currency index is standing at 103.33. So though it looks like a double top kind of a pattern, but to be honest, I am not convinced yet. So overall, the uncertainty on the chart is still going on, sadly. So let's have a look at the chart of GBPUSD right now. To have a or to get a clear picture, let's look at the hourly time frame. So my dear friends, the level that we have discussed in our previous videos are still the same, the good levels. Okay, so the best levels was 1.185040, and still it is the best level on the chart of GBPUSD, the best support. The best support in case market shows a big drop. If DXY gets crazy, starts flying, then yes, 1.185040 is the best support on the chart of GBPUSD right now, from where we can expect a bounce. If market bounces, we can go for a buy position, and the only proper resistance was 1.2190 to 1.2170. Already in my previous videos I have explained properly why we are talking about these levels or how we have derived these levels. If you want a proper analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. Okay, so these two are the important levels on the chart of GBPUSD right now, but sadly market is far away from these two levels and stuck in this range only. If you look at the chart right now, then we can see that this looks like a choppy market or sideways market. So as a result, we will have to plan our trades accordingly, because in sideways market or choppy market, the strategy of a trader is quite simple: buy at support, sell at resistance, but your levels should be good. Okay, first of all, if you're planning to take a buy position or looking for fresh entry in the market, then this is not the ideal time right now, because if you take a buy position here, okay, then obviously your proper SL will be here or here, so your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor, and taking a sell position is also not very logical right now. So as a result, trading in the middle of the chart is out of the equation. My dear friend, discipline is the most important thing that makes a trader profitable in the long run. Do not forget that. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the resistance. The resistance on the chart of GBPUSD is around 1.2085 to 1.2095, the previous high made by the market. Okay, in case market goes for a breakout also, if you see market going for a breakout crossing 1.2095 level, do not take a buy position immediately. Just have a look at the chart of DXY. If you see DXY is falling, then that's a different chapter. Otherwise, if you see the DXY is also not giving us any clear signs, but GBPUSD is trying to fly, okay, then that's a warning bell. Maybe market is going for some SL hunting and market may reverse again. Okay, in that case, be careful. You can take a sell position later. So 1.2085, 1.2095 is the resistance right now. If market goes up, observe the market carefully. If you see market reversing, if you see market is showing price rejection from above, shooting star kind of a pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, you can go for a sell position. Clear? In case market breaks it, observe the market, try to avoid any buy position immediately because you may be trapped. It would be better to look for a sell position at the next resistance or second resistance around 1.219070. Clear? On the other hand, if market falls, then the support is around 1.1967 to 1.1944. I have talked about 1.1944 in my previous videos as well. Okay, so that particular support zone is still very much valid. If market comes down, observe the market. If the volatility of the market remains like this, then there's a high chance that market will take support and bounce. But in case market remains very slow, okay, market remains very slow, and if you see market bouncing from here only, low made by the market yesterday around 1.1988, 1.1988, around this level, if you find market taking support because of low volatility, okay, you can go for a buy position as well. But keep in mind, it may be a little bit risky because proper support is this only. Okay, so this is the only these are the only levels that I see on the chart of GBPUSD right now. Again, I'm saying 1.219070 is a strong resistance. If market goes up, we can expect the market to reverse because of the 200 moving average, previous support to act as resistance, etc, etc. On the other hand, if market falls, then the strong support is around 1.185040 because of strong price rejection around this area previously. So these two are the only strong levels, but sadly market is stuck inside the range right now, so accordingly we will have to trade. First of all, if market goes up and reverses from the minor resistance of 1.208595, you can go for a sell. If market comes down, market takes support on a 1.196744, you can go for a buy as well. But if the volatility of the market remains low, then also you can look for some buy positions around 1.1988 as well. Okay, the volatility of the market always play a big role. Today also the volatility of the market will play a big role. If we look at the forexfactory.com, then we can see that there is no news also. Okay, there is no proper news also that will bring some volatility to the market. So, or to be honest, the whole world was thinking that we will get a proper direction after the speech of Jerome Powell, but sadly we could not. If you look at the news also, you can see dollar pulls back as Powell sticks to usual Fed playbook. The dollar eased on Wednesday after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell failed to offer fresh signs of a hawkish pushback against the resilient labor market in the US, leading investors to bet that interest rates may not rise much further. Okay, so this is the condition of the market right now. Okay, hopefully you got my point. So be careful, follow proper risk management, my dear friends. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye, take care. This is mindless, I can be wrong as well. So do not gamble with your hard earned money. Bye bye.